wife, my kids don't need your foolish advice.
Cheddar Kingdom and all. Shell. Yeah. Cheddar, shell. What me I think about? Them cats that out thick for me. That I'm a pretty rebel. And all hive on it. Yeah. With a little bit of pretty. Big pretty house and no girl in it, it not make sense.
How that? Mr. Sir?
My day ain't no great.
Yeah, deal.
You know, so my day are well meds.
Yeah, mates, bro.
Really and truly, my day are meds for some panty.
Auntie. What? You really are going?
I know what me are going with, you know, I want to go on.
Brother, you get rich too quick. You want to do? Start sniff panty.
Me I want if Angel have no more use panty herself. Cause you see the one Mrs. Miss, she move like a devil from where there. Few of them would be useful.
You know what going with you? You read too much Fast magazine. Can't deal with rich mates right now. So here we go. Now make a walk around on the platform now. Look come on.
Go tell the legion, stop watch my life. Pagan, stop stalk my wife, my kids don't need your foolish advice. Go tell the legion, stop watch my life. Pagan, stop stalk my wife, my kids don't need your foolish advice.
Time for surprise moment. Call the taxi now.
Out of bad taxi service?
Out of bad, yeah, the good thing them.
Can I help you?
Yes, want you pick up my common law wife because she could never be the capital.
From where
6 Poverty Lane.
to where?
Try make it heights. Where the zinc fence there. Come to think of it, you know, the one great bright, you know, but man a sniff panty. He take it off a line still, nobody not to know. How this foreign number call me?
Hey, the plane touched down, you know.
What? You can't wait for see me dog.
Nope. But I see you.
Where you come Jamaica come do? You know say a COVID time. Hang up all my phone. I don't want to see no foreigner who maybe all travel with virus. Wait there. What time now? How this taxi boy you know arrive with the devil yet?
Without your love, what would they say when they write my story? Without your touch, I'll never know how it feels to fly. Johnny, my emotional is when I finally open the love I couldn't see.
I can't that Mrs. Missing. Come let them know out of the body. Cause that car they no sound good. Hear what she up to now because her brain never yet settle. It come like dangers all over the place.
Mr. Sir,
Oh that, my cup of tea, Mrs. Miss.
how are you doing? Ring up on the hill for squad? What the horse there? It's not easy.
Hey girl, you're blind. You want a window for sit you?
Where you going, sir?
You know say me I go left you.
Where you talk about? I don't like how you move, sir.
Now you say you want the American dream. 90% of those them are foreigner board. You come on a top or squat.
And the house not done yet?
You know how much land on board, girl. Right now, you for come like mouth massy. Me just hear your voice, but me not see your face.
The view nice though.
You don't say come like yours says. I don't know if it just a work. Yeah, we can build on it. And me know your eye. So nobody tell your friend them we have a shit round at the back.
Go through my phone and throw them all away. Without your love, what would they say when they write my story? Without your touch.
I not even know why God put you together. I'm not even that look female. Sure. Wait, I soon find a good man. I can't wait for start game.
Behave yourself and keep the thing right. But so far.
Go on look for your man friend them. He must have rub balls.
But that your drum blast can't deal with you, you know.
I'm done with you. None for the argument. I call my friend. Kirstin, what on, girl? What on, Mrs. Miss? You live good life now. What, me still there with the soldier boy? I want to your girl, you know, so I love them already. Me and him not left. Me hear say them just go on with themselves, so. Go on with themselves, so since them get the sword. My one can't mad for me, you know, because I give him pill every day. Him just start sound like one duppy. Them pill the way that tell me about what they I forgot get some. Mr. Sir need it. Girl, you can't imagine about 4 months now the two are not play together. Much less foreplay. Yes. Hear that? He might get to me. I soon put him on pink wall. Pink wall are my thing. Just send me the story. But not for hide no ID. I just add my thing. Girl, I can't believe so I just 4 hours and I miss down in the lane already. Anyway, right now I forgot to attend to the pin of them, you know, so later I know Mrs. Mace.
Y'all them pretty, me not fi use force. Money stop that like a light post. So them a free, one stack money for money.
Should all I go check no man too, you know. Enough, you know.
Yo, you know, so me just watch a car and make a thing out my pockets still empty.
Yeah, you see that thing there? You need to invest it.
What do you mean by invest?
Invest in one of them jackpot tickets there, bruh.
Yeah.
You never hear about lotto and cash pot yet. I don't know why people always bring them business to me. If a little bit of money have, you not try to find the best way to invest it. See what going around here, so. Start move like a politician. I once every 4 years them fair see me.
Me not fi use force. Money stop that like a light post. So them a free, one stack money for money. But mine no love it how my life looks sunny. A hard me a hurt me not joke me not funny.
Wow. Are you there?
You know me there, Mr. Sir.
I want to tell you, I'm not fly up the shop yet.
Boy, I want to tell you from forward I don't see nobody. Some pill me there away upon.
One pill, I want to hear you sick.
No man, Mr. Sir, man.
Mine, you know.
I don't know a thing, man. Pill them man, I go upon them girl mission, man.
Beer teeth.
I have to run over them, grind me, you know.
What them say right now, I'm middle-aged, so I have to watch my living. But alright, you know, you wish part I live you now, try make it tight.
Yeah, Mr. Sir. Yeah, sir. You make it all that just change.
Yeah, man, I want pool settings.
What?
Big dog, pitbull, I run up and down in the yard.
So you go on, Mr. Sir.
Great, not tell you.
No, not tell me nothing.
Not tell me say my touch on the platform.
You know what of them thing there?
One great, now move right, you know, one. Yeah, go keep it for the low still. That even make him know say you know. You see what I say?
Segue to my dealer father. So you know, so I know you're going to make a move, you know.
I not even want touch on the lane yet, you know. Just that. Oh, place fly up, how that? The amazing elder. Jano Star come like from where they are beer sky traveling here going with my car. See ya? Well, go on, Mr. Sir. Some know saying at the place, you know, sidewalk clean.
You don't know, Mr. Sir. All the place, because I know me not there, I know you're on the place. You don't know. How Mrs. Smith doing?
You see right now, I look happy in her body, but you see brain stress. You don't know, say, after we left the place, I'm going to bring Mrs. Smith.
Where you see you gone up at the heights there?
Not even one day good yet. A beer problem.
I don't understand, so you know everything take time. And we come out of the poverty lane and you know and get themselves up themselves.
I every day shut up, but if it be like amazing, I see big man and Ryan, him a do very.
But you know, she say, I try. So what she really a pre? What she a pre? What she a do? She alright, otherwise what she a go on with?
Boy, I don't know if she alright or she are left or she there in front, but right now it come like she there way behind.
Yeah. You can't even know what you going to do right now, Dad, because if you have to catch up a stress out thing, you know, you check for her and say, boy, you know, come on, well, why, but You don't know if she will be the capital for you. Because you have that's the boy, you don't know if she will be the capital.
Some know say you check for me, you know, my elder January.
Yes, sir. You have to do sometimes, make me have them little way more time, go do a little thing and come back. And just have a little freedom and feel like, you know, and, you know, because you have to make it up and try and make it tight.
For real, you know, say, come like me, I forgot make she go and do for her thing. Because I don't know what she run down, you know. I forgot make she either win for her race or lose it.
Yeah, and you make your one, because I try and make it tight, so you have to go make it.
She no want to see things from higher heights.
You know, maybe you go find somebody up and try and make it tight, so just go and make it with that somebody up and hilltop there.
So you have to remember, I said, I forgot left my woman.
Hard on.
I say hard on.
Hard on. Because the odds, you know, you say the odds now that is 20 to 1 and you decide to just go a whole one.
I try to think different, you know.
That me see, you know, I kind of see that too, you know, Mr. Sir, because when you tell me, say, you know, I try and make it tight. But no, I change the atmosphere, my boss.
I change me, I
don't know if you hear that.
But one Mrs. Smith, me and she just step on the same page.
Me say, you want to help her out and you can't swear your head there.
You're the real elder, you know. Yeah, man, that's why I love reason with you. You know, say you sick my brain. All great, I got glad to see you.
You got great, we're great. Boy, great, you have to drink. Look more, we drink some champagne. We'll link up later, man.
You see him early on, you know, I go check. I go make a step, go round on the lane, and me and great, I come give a link on the forward. Just go and big up yourself, you know, me.
Officially.
Cool, no, man, you're the real elder.
Anna, Mr. Sir.
But anyway, girls and sugar that serve me. Hottest man alive I will never be. I will never be who ever be. If I could have never be, I'll forever.